Hey, what's going on, team? It is Ricky with TechWhat Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Wednesday. Today was a pretty eventful day. I just feel like it's been super choppy. And let me know in the comment section if you guys agree. Yesterday, I'm going to put it on the 5-day, 5-minute chart just so we could all see it better. Yesterday, right before the market closed, market sold off. Why? This was a question a lot of people had. President Trump announced that he was no longer going to talk about the stimulus package, right, or a second stimulus check until after the election, especially not with the Democratic Party. Caused the market to sell off, right? We did very well. If you watched yesterday's video, I did very well trading SQs, right? Because SQs goes up when the market goes down. Now today we received not only news that he was going to begin to talk about certain areas, but on top of that, the airline industry was also going to receive additional aid. That acted as a positive notion for the overall market. This is why we began to see the market begin to recover. And once I read up on that news and things began to become a little bit more clear, it wasn't easy, and today provided and presented its own challenges. But as direction became a little bit more clear, I saw that the market was, again, having a bullish day today. It looked like it was bound to recover, and based off of previous resistance levels, I was kind of anticipating a full recovery. And if you guys look at it, based off of current highs right now, based off of yesterday's highs, and based off of Monday's highs as well, we're at the same resistance level. And if you guys look a little bit back on the 180-day 4-hour time frame, we're at the same resistance level that we have been for the past couple of months. So this is super important to know. Not that, it can't continue to go up and make higher highs, but patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. With that idea in mind, it's very important to understand the high points, the low points, the high points, the low points, and the high points. And right now, in my opinion, we're a little bit more on the overbought side. And although I was able to do well day trading, right, TQs, because the market, of course, throughout the day was very bullish, I was able to clear a little bit over $1,400 profit on TQs alone. And this is why I wanted to show you guys the 5-day, 5-minute chart, is because I see TQs and /NQ to be a little bit more on the overbought side. I see a lot of downside potential. And it's not that it has to pull back, but it would make sense based off of previous resistance levels on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. And this is why I'm trading it during the aftermarket session or the extended hour session. So as of right now, altogether on the day, I'm up $1,800, and I'm of course going to manage my risk, but I want to give it a chance. If it begins to make higher highs, I'll cut my losses on SQs, but I see some pullback potential, and when the market pulls back, of course, SQs goes up, and that's why I still have my open position. So I still have about 2.5 more hours for the aftermarket trading session to be able to trade on the TD Ameritrade Swim platform. And then after that, I'm just going to close my position and see what we make out of it. But wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. Wanted to provide you guys with the reason on why we began to see the market recover. And that's, of course, because, again, what was announced yesterday was not, I guess, completely true. It might have been more of a scare tactic or something like that. And then on top of that, as many of you guys saw, the airline industry also received additional aid, which for, again, all the major airlines, they saw some form of positive catalyst that pushed their overall price up today. So I'm very happy with how the day played out. I'm very excited for the challenges that tomorrow and the next day bring. And I just wanted to provide you guys with a little short and sweet video. I really do appreciate all the best wishes once again. I'm feeling a lot better when it comes down to testing positive for COVID and stuff like that. So thank you guys again for everything that you guys do. I hope that I earn your thumbs up. I will see you guys tomorrow for our live trading session. Today I traded live for about 45 minutes with the Learn Plan Profit team, and I would love to have you tune on in tomorrow. If you guys want to join us, click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group, and if you feel like you are ready, we'd love to have you. Until then, you guys can join our free Facebook group. That's that first link down below. I hope that we earn your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy, team.